I love writing, and I loved the idea of the workshop experience and wanting to come into that in a bigger way by going to grad school and being among people who are of a similar mindset of wanting to always be improving their writing was a huge draw for me. So that's why I decided to kind of take that to the higher level. Harvard Extension School specifically offers a very flexible program. It's been really great as a working adult because I'm able to fit the classes into my schedule wherever they work. I've had some semesters where I just do one class, and then I've had some where I have a little bit more free time, and so I'm able to fit in two. The instructors were also a huge draw, been incredible as I've been in the program, but also just the experience that they bring to every single class session has just been amazing. I was surprised how challenging it was in the best way. Once you really get into the workshop experience, you realize how much there is that I don't know as a writer and how much more room there is to improve myself as a writer, and being able to just pick up on these things from very experienced writers. And when those craft elements really click and I'm able to apply them to my writing, that's the most exciting part for me, is when I can physically see the writing improve from one draft to the next. It's been such an amazing experience to be on campus and to be able to meet the people that I've met only on Zoom calls, they're an actual person in front of me, and to have that workshop experience in the classroom has just been so incredible. People are writing some short stories, people submitted excerpts of novels, and just that variety was really helpful to see all the craft elements come together between the critiques and workshopping other people's writing as well. The community that is here and that I found has just been so instrumental in continuing my growth as a writer, and the connections that I've made have also just been amazing. Everybody has been just so encouraging, from the professors to the students in workshop. Everybody just wants to help each other grow as writers, and I think it's really hard to find that community in anywhere else other than smaller workshop settings where you're able to talk with other people, learn from other people from across the country and around the world. So the community has been a huge aspect in my growth for sure. I've wanted to be a writer since I was a little kid. I really just have that dream of seeing one of my books on the library shelf. And so I'm hoping that this program will be a step in the right direction to getting my words out there and sharing them with other people.